Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com. In this episode, we are talking about the difficulties surrounding income withholding orders for child support and or even spouse support, but primarily child support in this particular episode. When you go through divorce and there is child support, generally the courts will require a withholding order to be prepared. This is something that goes to your employer, which then withholds the child support automatically, goes through the state disbursement unit, and then is paid to the spouse or the parent receiving child support. Issues that come up, and I wanted to address this because I just got off a phone call with a gentleman that this is happening to, and this is not the first time, but when the child soon to turn 18 and graduating from high school, which is the requirement, when you have issues proving that, the courts will not terminate the withholding order, and it always ends with someone overpaying. In this particular situation, the daughter, who is already 18, is going to a school that has a 5-year a 5-year high school program, and it's more of a college prep to where they are preparing them for college. So that 5th year is more of college, but they still do not show graduated. So this is a very specific situation where we're trying to get evidence from the school that shows that they have graduated or at least passed the 12th grade. So if you're having that issue, many times in another case we had where mom was homeschooling and there was no diploma, and they were going to end up overpaying until they turned 19, which is the other way that goes, 18 and graduate, or until the age of 19. So you can see how this can be problematic. So in this particular case, mom was not turning over the documents to show that she's passed the 12th grade, but fortunately he had joint legal custody. So my advice to him was to send a copy of his divorce decree to the school showing he has joint legal rights to information regarding his daughter, so he can obtain information directly from the school. Because when you file for terminating the withholding order, which is the FL 195, you have to prove two things: age of 18, so you're going to have to show a copy of a birth certificate, and that they've graduated from high school. So some document from the school, a diploma. We're going to try and get transcripts in this particular case, but without the two of those, the judge will not terminate the order, which will result in overpayment. In addition, the courts are not proactive in this at all. You cannot submit your termination order in advance, which would make sense to everyone else except the courts. You want to get an order terminating on a specific date. They will not allow you to submit the termination order until you actually have the diploma, they've actually graduated, they've already turned 18. And the biggest problem with that is you're already going to automatically start overpaying. Plus, the courts can take 30 to 60 days to sign these orders, and that just prolongs the amount of time you have to pay. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you soon.